So Dave, this is the Ercolina 050 Plus machine. This machine here just does a single bend angle, so you set your angle just for one angle, one spring back. There are machines with different controls on them that you can store multiple bends in, up to 9 bends in one program and 10 programs or set up. So for this case, we're going to bend some square tubing on here to give you an idea. We've got square tooling in here. Now with your aluminum extrusions, it would be a similar setup with the same type of tooling, except the former would be made special to accept the shape of your actual extrusion. So to make a bend, we're just going to bend a 1-inch square here. Material just going to slide into your former, and because it's square, we actually lock it in place to keep it from sliding, to keep our position. So you can set a stop out here on the end to set your distance. These formers are actually threaded in the end, so you can put a threaded rod out here and then come out with a stop to set your length. Once it's locked in there, your counterbend eye just comes up tight to it, and then you can swing in your vise to lock it in place. It's just up there snug. It's not tight, clamped in, just snug because it's going to slide along there. You set your bend angle just by these keys. So in this case here, we're just going to set it to 90 degrees, and we're going to put a 10-degree spring back, so that'll actually bend to 100 degrees for your overbend to come back. So once you're done that, it's just basically hitting your key, and it's going to bend you to 90 degrees. So it's just going to swing around, and it's counting in the screen. Down here it's going to go up to 90, and it's going to actually show 100, which is 90 plus 10. It's going to stop, and then just reverse your bend, swing this out of the way, unclamp your part, take it out of the tooling, and you're all set. You can ready to make your second bend of 90 degrees. Or if your next bend was something different, you just come back to your screen here, change it and set it, let's say to, in this case, 42 degrees. Take your material out, advance it, and make your next bend.